Alright, well, we got this thing playing FM. Turn up the volume a little bit. So what we found is that this motor here is not working properly, and it's the one that changes your stations when you push the buttons for phono, AM, FM, and shortwave. So what we've had to do is go in this area where the wafer switches are and manually turn it. And we hit up on an FM station, so we just left it. We haven't tried anything else, but it's working. My son's tuning it, and
seems to be valid.
I replaced a bunch of capacitors in the power supply and made sure it was clean, and then you can see the rest of them are still crap. But we've determined that these capacitors that make the motor run are they're dead or something, because the motor is not shorted. We got continuity through the motor, and it's getting input signal.
It's trying to
and
move,
it's trying to move, but even on full power, it just can't do it. So it's got to be these capacitors, what we're thinking. And we're playing it. We got it on full power bypass right now, because there just isn't enough juice on limit to do it. So just wanted to get this video going to show what we've discovered here.
Needs an alignment.
Yeah, it'll definitely need that. Yeah, this is all FM stations. Speaker sounds great. And the high fidelity switch is working. See if I can change that. Change it again.
Install confidence.
Yeah, you can hear the tone change.
Let's find music to do that. Not very good.
Yeah, it's not doing it as much now.
I'm going to go back to the country station.
Country western station. Try it. Yeah, now you can tell the difference. Yeah. Sounds better the other way. I don't know if that's on or off. Yeah, it sounds better. Tweaker's working. Tweeter, not the tweaker. Tweakers don't work very well. Yeah, it sounds good.
Shut her off.
All right, let's shut her down. There you go. All right, so this will be vid number, took 2 of us to get to that point. This will be vid number 5, I think. Thanks for watching. Yeah, whatever in the description. All right. Thanks for watching if you watched. Bye.